Hi guys, Celtic Lad here, known as Celtic Labs on this channel. Today I'm going to be installing VirtualBox and Windows 11 Pro on VirtualBox. So let's crack on. Please consider subscribing. So we go to Microsoft.com and download the Windows 11 Pro multi-edition ISO. I'm going to choose the language, which mine is English, so English International, and confirm, and then we'll choose 64-bit and download the ISO in my downloads folder. Then we want to go to Oracle VirtualBox. I'll leave a link in the description for both web pages. So you can choose Linux, Mac and Solarize, but I'm on a Windows machine, so I'm going to download the Windows version of VirtualBox. So I'll let them download, and you also want the extension packs for VirtualBox. So we can minimize Google Chrome and go to the downloads folder wherever you downloaded it and run VirtualBox executable file. So you can read the wizard, but I know how to do it, so just click next. Defaults here and click next. You'll get a warning for your network interface might disconnect, but usually doesn't. You just click next. Always like to untick the quick launch bar and click next. It should install with under 1 minute, so it's pretty fast to install. See, it's made a shortcut on the desktop, so it's nearly installed. So untick Starter VirtualBox because we're going to run extension packs, which homes VirtualBox. So click on the extension packs as you can see on VirtualBox. Read the information, and if you accept it, install. It does give you a warning, but it's usually okay. I've not had any problems. Just click install and the extension packs are installed. That's VirtualBox installed. If you like my channel, please consider subscribing and liking. I've helped you out anyway. So now we're going to install the Windows 11 ISO. So create a machine and name it whatever you want. I'm just going to name it 111 Pro. Choose the destination where you want to install it. Select the ISO image wherever you've installed it. It's best to choose your version, but we're going to skip the unintended installation. Just click next. Give it 4 gig RAM, 2 CPU cores, and make sure UEFI is on. Create a virtual hard disk now, 80 gig, and make sure that the system specs are okay for running, and click next. Go into settings, go to network. We've got not attached, bridge, and NAT. So we're going to choose NAT. Go to system, untick floppy, put the optical drive at the top, my hard disk underneath. Make sure TPM version 2 is enabled and click OK. Go to storage and make sure that the ISO is mounted and click OK. Now we can start the machine. You want to hit any button here to install from CD, DVD. I usually hit spacebar or enter. Now we choose our language, time and currency and hit install. You can insert your product key, but I select don't have a product key. This is multi-version. You can choose different versions, but we chose Windows 11 Pro. Accept the user license agreement, click next, choose your drive and click next. Copying Windows files, getting files ready for installation. This should take some time, but be patient. So it's at 98% at the moment, and then it'll install features, and then it'll install updates, and then it'll say finishing up, so it should restart the system automatically. But you can force restart once it's there, but I just let it do its thing. Restart in 9 seconds. I apologise for my OBS, it's not picking up everything that should be seen on screen, so I'm trying to explain it best I can. So VirtualBox is restarting now. Should say device getting ready. Windows is saying just a moment. Windows likes its moments. So now here you want to actually restart your VirtualBox, shut it down and disconnect the Wi-Fi or Ethernet cable. So we're going to go into settings and put it to non-attached network adapter. Press OK and restart VirtualBox. So here you'll choose your keyboard layout, additional keyboard layout. You also want to, when you get to the network part, Shift F10 and a command line will pop up. As you can see, my screen's lagging a wee bit. So here, press Shift F10 and input OB backslash bypass NRO and hit enter, and VirtualBox should restart. And here it's skipped forward, so you'll see start with no internet and limited features, and then you should be able to put in your username and password, security questions, say no to all the Microsoft collection of data. So here you can see Windows is booting up. Just click start and go to your name and change account settings, and you'll be able to see that it's a local account under your name, but you can also sign in a Microsoft account instead if you want. To see build info, click on start menu and type SYS and click on system information. Microsoft Windows 11 Pro and build 22631. It's always good practice to control shut down your VirtualBox, so press shut down. Here you can see we've got an auto attached which gives you no internet, a bridge which gives you its own IP on the network, and a NAT which uses the host's network, and that's how to install Windows 11 Pro on VirtualBox 2024. And consider subscribing and thumbs up. Big shout out goes to Wells21 for helping with the voiceover, and Brytech09 for especially helping me pass my uni exam, and also both of them for teaching me about YouTube and computers. Go watch their channels, I'll leave a link in the description. Hope I helped you out. Catch you in the next one.